The science of melanin and vitamin D evolutionary origins. The first humans evolved in Africa, where high levels of UV radiation made dark skin an evolutionary advantage by protecting against sun damage. The role of melanin. Melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, but its density in dark skin also creates a barrier that blocks the absorption of UV rays. Geographical shift. As human populations migrated north to regions with weaker sunlight, dark skin became a disadvantage because it blocked the limited UV rays available. Vitamin D synthesis. The human body requires UV radiation to synthesize vitamin D. Without enough sunlight, the body cannot produce this essential nutrient. Genetic adaptation. Over thousands of years, humans in northern climates evolved lighter skin to allow more UV rays to penetrate, ensuring the body could produce enough vitamin D for survival. The northward migration and selective pressure. As populations moved away from the equator, the environmental pressures changed drastically. Europe and Northern Asia. In these regions, UV radiation is significantly lower, especially during winter. Because melanin is so effective at blocking UV rays, individuals with darker skin struggle to produce enough vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. The vitamin D advantage. Those born with slightly lighter skin due to natural genetic variation had a survival advantage in the north. They were less likely to develop bone deformities like rickets, making them more likely to survive and pass on their lighter skin genes to the next generation. Exceptions to the rule. The Inuit and coastal groups. Interestingly, not every group in the far north evolved very pale skin. Dietary factors. The Inuit people of the Arctic have darker skin than one might expect for their latitude. This is largely because their traditional diet, rich in fatty fish and seal blubber, is naturally high in vitamin D. Reduced pressure. Since they were getting their vitamin D from food, there was less evolutionary pressure for their skin to lighten to absorb UV rays. The folate factor, the equator strategy. While the video focuses on vitamin D, the deep dive into this science requires looking at folate, vitamin B9. Protection in the tropics. High UV levels actually destroy folate in the blood, which is crucial for reproductive health. Melanin's dual role. In high UV areas like Africa and South Asia, dark skin isn't just about preventing sunburn. It's a biological shield that protects the body's folate reserves.